Bula. Today I'll be discussing the sentence structure in the Fijian language. You have two options. One is the subject, verb, object, or the verb, object, subject. Those are your two options in the Fijian language. That applies when you're talking about somebody else. When you're talking about yourself, you follow the subject, verb, object sentence structure. For example, if you're saying John is running to the shop in English, in Fijian you have two options. One is ochone sa tiko ina sitoa, which is the subject, verb, object, or you can use the verb, object, subject. Sa tiko ina sitoa ochone. So those are your options if you're talking about somebody else. If you're the subject of the sentence, for example, I am running to the shop, you have only one option, which is au sa tiko ina sitoa, which is the subject, verb, object sentence structure. So I will leave a English sentence in the more information block below, and then you can translate it into Fijian and leave your comments, your answer in the comment section below. Please click on the notification button, subscribe, so that you can be notified when we upload a new video. Vinaka Wadamanda.